Are you ready to upgrade to a sleek slimline optics mount that fits perfectly on modern firearms? If so, the new Rapid Precision Mount from Samson Manufacturing is an ideal solution for you. Welcome back to the Samson Innovation Center. My name's Ryan. Today we're going to look at the all-new Rapid Precision Mount, or RPM. We'll also walk you through the installation process as well. The RPM is the lightest scope mount we've ever offered. It was designed for fast-paced shooting applications without compromising on durability or accuracy. The base, rings, and clamps are machined from 6061 T6 aluminum for reduced weight, and hard coat anodized for corrosion and abrasion protection. The integrated steel recoil lugs in the clamp cross bolts eliminate movement and help maintain zero during heavy recoil when using larger calibers. Offsetting the scope rings provides a maximum flexibility in positioning your optic to achieve a comfortable eye relief. If you decided to swap to a different optic, the scope rings utilize threaded steel inserts to extend their lifespan and prevent the internal threads from being stripped. The rings are also labeled, providing dependable repeatability and consistency when reinstalling another optic. Now for the setup and installation process. The first step is to always verify that the firearm is unloaded and the work area is clear of all ammunition. You will need a torque driver calibrated in inch-pounds, a torque wrench calibrated in inch-pounds, a half-inch socket or crowfoot, and the included 7/64" hex wrench. Place the RPM onto the firearm's Picatinny rail. Lightly tighten the clamp nuts by hand, ensuring the clamps are oriented correctly. The mount may need to be adjusted forward or backward later to properly set your personally most comfortable eye relief. Remove the two top rings of the mount and place your scope into the bottom rings. Here I have a Vortex Razor HD Gen 2E with a 30mm tube. Reattach the top rings over the scope, making sure they match their respective A and B labeled bottom rings and the arrows are pointing toward the muzzle. Lightly tighten the top ring screws in a crisscross pattern using a 7/64" hex wrench so the scope will not freely slide back and forth, but can still be manually moved. Move the scope to set a comfortable eye relief, then ensure the scope is level relative to the firearm. Once the scope and scope mount are in the ideal location, shift the mount forward so the cross bolts that rest between the lugs of the Picatinny rail are touching the front lug. This allows the scope mount to properly seat against the rail and not move during heavy recoil. Attach a half-inch socket or crowfoot to your torque wrench and tighten the clamp nuts to 40 to 45 inch-pounds. Tighten the top ring screws in a crisscross pattern using a torque driver and a 7/64" hex bit to 20 to 25 inch-pounds. Thread locker is not necessary due to the self-locking threaded steel inserts in the bottom rings. If a thread locker is used, be sure to use only a medium to light grade. So that's the new Rapid Precision Mount from Samson Manufacturing. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoy our content, and look for us on social media too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.